स्वभावचिन्मयानन्दं कृपापूर्णं जगत्पतिं हरिषड्वर्गजेतारं नित्यानन्दगुरुं भजे स्वभावचिन्मयानन्दम्.
What is the key to discipline in spiritual practice? Is it just Americans who have this problem of lack of discipline? No. I don't say, as far as discipline and immorality concerned, it is a universal. It is not Easterner or Westerner. There's a very beautiful line from Patanjali. He says, after describing the yama, the basic understandings of the life, ahimsa, non-violence, satya, truth, asteya, non-stealing, aparigraha, not possessing more than what you need. Again, if you are possessing more than what you need, you are stealing. Just yesterday I read a statistics. In this country, 30 million people are undernourished and 30 million people are suffering with obesity. Means too much obesity. Means the obese people have eaten the undernourished people food. Now I was really surprised to see the same number. Same number, that's what. When you have more than what you need, the aparigraha, you are stealing. It's asteya. Non-possessiveness, and above all, the brahmacharya means behaving decently, having relationship only based on love. Maybe I can translate the word brahmacharya into yesterday I was struggling to translate that word. This can be a wonderful translation. Having relationship only based on love, not based on anything else. Can be there. Because a person who is having physical relationship only based on love, even when he has relationship, he will not have the side effects of the immorality. Side effects of or dangers of the anything else. He will have the more deeper, settled, balanced life. Anyhow, when Patanjali describes all these great 5 vows, he makes a statement, Sarvabhaumya Vrataha. Very beautiful statement, let me translate. These understandings are for the whole world forever. Bhashyakara says, like a morality is universal, immorality is also universal. Do not think in the West immorality is more or in the East immorality is more, nothing like that. Both always same, and don't think now only it has become more and in those days it was less. No. In those days there was no CNN or website. Now we have, that's all. I don't think there is any other difference because 5,000 years ago in Harappan culture, if you read their stone writings, the what do you call the stone, whatever they carve in the stone, those words, it feels like a modern day morning newspaper, the newspaper editorial. It says nowadays kids are not respecting the parents, though there is no morality in the place, and people are living on their own, and nobody is responding, nobody is respecting the tradition and spirituality. These are all the words written in that stone. Means 5,000 years ago the same problem was there. So relax. It's a immorality is universal and eternal. Same way, vratam, morality, sarva, the yama and niyamas are also universal and eternal. There's no such thing as West or East or those days or nowadays. See, that those days concept is actually a fantasy. When you are young, everything was looking great because you are innocent. Not because everything was great. Because you are innocent. Either you are not aware of what was happening around you, or you are not that cunning to judge everything around you. These two reasons, you are not informed, and you are not that cunning or judgmental, continuously judging everybody. Now the change has happened in you, not in the society. That is same drama only is going on.
Shri